Hello friends, I am Mohammad Rafeeq. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rafeeq Engineering Drawings. Let us start projections of line inclined to both HP as well as VP. In the previous video we have seen projection of lines inclined to one plane. That is basic fundamental questions. If you understand that, from here we can start examination point of view important questions like that. Okay, so here you can see I have written 7 questions. So I have selected upon my personal choice 7 different models. If you practice the 7 different models, you will be able to solve any other type of problem. Okay, so let us start. First question out of this 7, this is the first one. First one is very easy, simple basic question. Let us see here. A line we have of length 80 mm long, its end A. Assume this is a line, this is end A, this is end B. End A is 25 mm above HP. So this end A with respect to horizontal plane, assume this is horizontal plane. With respect to horizontal plane, this end A is 25 mm above, and the same end A itself with respect to VP is 35 mm in front of VP. So till here we will try to draw. Later on we will continue the question. So, okay, let us see. This is our XY line. Okay, assume length of the line here given 80. This is the end A, this is the end B, as I said. So for time being, the end A you should assume as a one point. So assume this is the end A we have taken as a point, one end. So that point is 25 mm above HP. As I said in the projection of points video, whenever we have any distance above HP, here directly above XY line, that distance you need to take, which is given. So assuming here 25 mm above HP. What is end A? So above HP, front view we will be getting A dash. The same end A itself 35 mm in front of VP. So in front of VP means downside we will be getting top view. Assuming this distance as 35, because I am not using exact scale, so we will consider this distance is 25 and this distance is 35. Okay, end A only we are talking about. Other end of line is B, that we will see after next step. So first step is end A is 25 mm above HP, 25 mm above XY line. The end A only in front of VP 35 mm this side. Okay, so with the help of this book also I will try to explain you. Assume this is the line 80 mm long, this is end A, this is end B. Okay, so this end A only they are talking about. This end A is with respect to HP 25 up, with respect to VP 35 in front. So whatever is 25 mm up, this one 25 up here with respect to XY line, that will go above, and 35 in front, this end only I am talking about, 35 in front. So that distance will be down like this. So this is 35. Okay, top view. Now we will talk about the remaining length of the line. Okay, what they are saying here, till here we have completed. Okay, so till here we have done. Now the line is inclined 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. So now this portion we need to concentrate. Line parallel to HP will be like this. Assume this is HP and this you can treat it as VP. This is HP, horizontal plane, vertical plane. So line parallel to HP like this. Okay, line inclined 30 degree to HP means assume like this, 30 degree. If a line is perpendicular to HP means like this, perpendicular, parallel. Now here it is inclined 30 to HP. So 30 degree like this. So from there if you see the line how it is, 80 mm long line at 30 degree you are able to see. So simply from this you take any length, just construction lines, thin lines, 80 mm long line at where 30 degree. Okay, so this is 30 degree, this is B1 dash. Front view means dash. Why we are using B1? Because this is not final end. Of course this is final, another end A, another end B is not yet finalized, because inclined to HP 30 we have taken, but it is also with respect to VP inclined certain angle which is mentioned here, that we will take it in the next step. Okay. Next, the line is also inclined 45 degree to VP. So with respect to VP inclination, we will take it in this way: parallel to VP, perpendicular to VP, inclined to VP, like this. So here inclination with respect to VP is, this inclination is 45 degree. Okay. So this you cannot see from the front. So this inclination will be visible from the top. So that if we rotate like this, then that inclination will be 45 below the XY line, like this you need to take. Same 80 mm long line at 30 degree we have drawn here, 80 mm long line, 45 degree we will draw here. It is with respect to VP, that is why it is down. It was with respect to HP like this. So from front we have seen. It is with respect to VP. From top we will see, after rotation of horizontal plane clockwise, it will go like this. This basics, rotation of horizontal plane, all those things we have seen in the projection of points. If you didn't see that video, you can go to projection of points video. Their orthographic introduction along with projection of points I have included. Okay. So let us continue this. This is also B1. This is not the final. As soon as here it is at 45 degree. This is first question. So basic simple question is there. So this is front view 30 degree, top view 45 degree. The line is not simply 30 degree to HP, 45 degree to VP. At a time it is both inclined to both the plane, 30 and 45 together. Now we need to mix it. How to mix? See, as soon as there is a step, whenever you are getting end point of one thing, you need to draw the locus. Locus can be drawn with thin continuous line, or it can be drawn with thin chain axis line. It's up to you. Many people will go with thin line. So instead of axis, we can continue thin line. So this is called locus. Here also we can have locus. Okay. Now this is what true length means, actual length of the line. Some notations are there, I will show you here. TL means true length. As per the question it is given 80 mm. In this question it is true length means actual length, which is 80 in this question. Now whenever you have true length, you need to project. Remember, true length will be projected up to where? Up to this base, this level. After that, this is the center, this is the radius. Your compass will be there, right? So compass needle keep it here, pencil you bring it up to here. So center A, radius this point, draw an arc like this. Radius is this length, center, radius, draw an arc. So somewhere it will cut at locus. This is your final end B. Okay. Similarly, project this true length till this level. This is the center, this is the radius, draw an arc like this. Somewhere here it will cut. Okay. Assume this is final end of the line. So if you join, I will draw here TL. If you join A dash and A, you will be getting final front view. And here if you join A to B, you will be getting top view of the line. So this is the final front view, which is line inclined 30 degree to HP, 45 degree to VP at a time. So which view you are able to see this, including both the angles, is this one. And 30 degree to HP, 45 degree to VP inclined to both the plane. What top view we are able to see with both the angles is this one, because we have given front view angle here and this top view angle here. So now you can have check line here. So this check line should be straight vertical. I have not used any compass or protractor, so it should match with this, and it should be perpendicular to your XY line. Okay. There are some notations which I said you that I will discuss. So this is a solution of the line. This pattern you should keep it in your mind, that true length will go down and it will be rotated. This true length will be coming up and it will be rotated here, and front view will be connected with true length here, and this top view will be connected till this true length. Okay, some notations are there. True length means actual length of the line, 80 mm. End all those things you leave it. Incline to HP will be denoted as theta equal to 30 degree, and incline to VP is denoted as phi as 45 degree. This is called true length. These are called true inclinations. True inclination means direct, HP 30, VP 45. Another we have front view length, top view length. This is the length front view. This is the length top view. Along with this we have alpha and beta. Alpha is the inclination in front view. This is the inclination of front view. This is your alpha. And here inclination of top view is beta. Okay, this you need to remember. Whereas 30 inclination with HP, theta, 45 degree inclination with VP, here phi. So this 30 and phi will always be with true length, and this alpha beta are called apparent inclinations. Here apparent inclination means this alpha and beta. So in the question they asked us to find alpha and beta. So after calculation, after drawing, you can measure alpha and beta and you can put it in the result like this. Below the diagram you can have result. In that what is asked, draw the projections. So first point, projections are drawn. Second point, find length of front view and top view. Length of front view and top view you can write each length. Then they asked apparent inclinations. Apparent inclinations means alpha and beta, which is here. Okay, apart from this some other notations will be there, distance between projectors, and okay, that we will see in the further next questions. So total 7 models I have selected. If you are able to solve 7 different models, you will be able to solve almost all the types of problems. So this is important questions, 7 important models like that. Okay, so in this video I have solved one question. In coming videos I will solve second, third, like that. Okay, if you have any doubts you can put comment and ask. If you don't know the basics, you can go back to my previous video where I have solved the projection of points. There basics above HP in front of VP, you can take it. Okay, next video, next question we will solve. If you like the explanation, please subscribe, share, comment, like my videos. Okay, thank you everyone.